Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in a coffee machine. First, gather your essential items: your coffee machine, fresh water, and your favorite ground coffee. Make sure your machine's water reservoir is clean, then fill it with the amount of water you plan to brew. Next, insert a fresh paper filter or your reusable filter into the brew basket. This simple preparation ensures a great start to your coffee. Now, let's get brewing. For a standard cup, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water you've added. Adjust this amount to suit your taste preference. Securely close the brew basket and confirm that your coffee carafe is properly seated on the warming plate. Finally, press the brew button and let your machine work its magic, filling your kitchen with that wonderful aroma. Want to personalize your brew? You can easily adjust the strength by varying the amount of ground coffee you use per 6 ounces of water. Don't be afraid to experiment with different coffee roasts, from light to dark, and even various grind sizes to discover new flavors. Once brewed, feel free to add milk, sugar, or your favorite flavorings to create your perfect cup. Your delicious coffee is ready. Carefully pour it into your favorite mug and savor the moment. Remember to clean your coffee machine regularly, perhaps once a month, to maintain its performance and ensure every cup tastes fresh. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can truly bring your space to life, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Enjoy your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.